And then, young ladies and gentlemen, we can storm you with knowledge. We can help you develop understanding of all important major themes. And tell you the truth, there aren't more than 10 to 15 themes for each subject. And it's no Herculean task to develop in-depth understanding of 10 to 15 themes for each subject you are opting for. But when you're in the examination hall, it's you who have to reproduce that knowledge on a piece of paper. As I said, we can storm you with knowledge, but you reproduce that knowledge on a piece of paper yourself. We can't do that for you. So, developing writing skills is of utmost importance, and we will help you in that. We have engaged some very experienced faculty for you, which will help you develop your writing skills from every aspect, that when you write, when you reproduce the knowledge, you inshallah will have in abundance.